Air travel, that's right. My biggest problem in terms of my own carbon footprint is traveling, flying. I have a business in Germany, I'll tell you a little bit about that later, because that's as well what you can do. You can start a business that has green products. You can start a business that has a green innovation. That is how you can contribute. We need to combine economy, social benefit for people, and environmental preservation. We need to change the system from within. If you look at that over there, that is the power of the modern economy. You know, a tree that stands out there in the rainforest is not seen as contributing to the gross domestic product in Malaysia. We talk about economic growth. We measure it in how much have we grown. The tree that's standing there strong doesn't contribute. But the tree that's been chopped down and sold to China contributes to the Malaysian economic growth. Isn't that crazy? We're not measuring the value of a precious, imbalanced, biodiverse system. The clean water that this system delivers to us, the clean air, the protected soil, doesn't turn up in our measurement of economic growth.